Hello, good morning. Welcome back to another video, guys. I know I haven't posted any videos lately. I know life has been really busy. We're still doing a lot of catch up on settling down. And of course, work was busy as well too. We're not gonna be working on Jalen's Evo for today. We're actually gonna go to the Cars and Coffee that Gears and Grinds are holding it down. And Jalen's actually gonna drive her Evo for the first time to the Cars and Coffee. We were meaning to go on the last one, but because Jalen and my boys got sick, we are gonna meet up my friend Kaylin at Home Depot, and then we're gonna go ahead and roll to the Cars and Coffee. We already got the car cleaned up last night. Excited that Jaden's gonna be driving her Evo. This is probably the second time that she drove her car since they got here in Vegas. Every now and then when there's events, I'm hoping that we can have her just drive the car over there because this is technically her car. My car is still back at home, broken. Her and the boys are getting ready right now. I'm just going through a quick wipe on her Evo, and then we're gonna see everybody else at the Cars and Coffee. Ready for your first Cars and Coffee with your car? Jeez. This is probably your second time driving the car? Yeah. Man, I totally forget how it feels to be in the passenger seat. It feels so good. Morning. You ready? Yeah. I'll follow you. Oh, man. Hey, I did that the last time. What up, homie? Cherry. Damn, this thing is pretty built. Those seats, roll cage, and slick. Jace, you want that car? You want that car?
That's perfect color.
You don't like pink. Oh, look at this. Okay, look at that one. That's a clean S2K. Nice and simple. AP2. Now this is a clean R33. Damn, that looks good. Kind of crazy to see a EK wagon. I'm pretty sure they changed the front end, but still the right-hand drive. Whew, this thing is sick. Oh, and this is an automatic too. But even though, wow, that's awesome. Is it weird to see a right-hand drive? I think this is a GTT. Yeah, it is. Damn. What is that, little man?
There's some weird stuff inside.
Like what weird stuff?
A butt. A lady's butt.
Lady's butt? Where?
There.
Oh, that. Don't worry, you'll see some weird stuff. Oh, F80. What's some? You would sell your 10 for get one F30? It looks so good with that fitment right there and that Volks raise.
Once I got done, right? When I got done,
Now this M3 looks so sick. Look at that carbon. Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing is sick. What do you think about this car, Jay? Ooh, this is sick boosted Integra right here.
You're at the pole next to Betty. Okay.
No? You don't?
Oh, I'm gonna come.
Actually, I'm happy that we brought the Evos out. It looks so nice and simple.
Yeah. I'm just glad to be I'm not parking next to the fucking exotic car or something.
Oh, we got the Hawaiians over here. Now this car reminds me of home. Right here. We see all the crazy built here in Hawaii. Clean. 808 all day. Still repping the safety check sticker. Another one. This one is nice.
Oh shit, his tire is nowhere near like in the fence.
Oh, freaking cherry, cuz. Mean, huh? That's all. Go for blow.
My 16.
Now this is on sick slam focus right here. Wow. Another one. Look at that. Old school Yoda. That's clean. Jace, this could be your car. Yeah, this could be your car.
What are you doing? Look, just driving.
Oh, dude, have you ever seen these Celica all-wheel drive? And right-hand drive.
Oh, look at the inside. It's nice.
It's clean.
Oh, that picks up.
This is actually a nice event, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. A lot of guys are digging out early though.
Yeah, I think it's what? It's only 9:33, yeah. Cherry.
Something went in my contract.
Okay, I gauged my time really wrong this morning because I woke up 30 minutes earlier than I normally do. I normally wake up at 5 and then leave at 5:30.
This is a nice clean Evo 3 right here. It looks so stock.
Sonic.
That is Sonic in there. Wow. That is a clean Evo 3. And it sounds pretty good too coming here. Damn. Are you a big fan on an Evo 3?
Not really.
turn on an event here at the Cars and Coffee. Gears and Grinds running it. Pretty cool, excited to see all the other builds and at least a quarter or maybe more of the Hawaii people here, which is nice to see some of the runners, yoyos. We are warming up the car because we're about to leave the event. Well, that was a good time. You enjoyed it?
Yes.
Sounds like when we drive out, we're gonna have to do a pool for the boys. Did you enjoy the Cars and Coffee, honey?
I did.
That's a clean soup, bro. Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Oh my gosh, honey. I know you did. And you did hit it real hard. Just remember the car ain't tuned yet though, so we gotta be careful. Gosh, that felt so awesome. Would you want to sell the Evo for R34 now?
I don't know. Because I didn't do much to this car yet. So I can't say.
But we do have big plans for it, right? Awesome event of the day, like I said, guys. Oh man, that R34 I really want. But of course, like what Jayla said, we haven't done much on her Evo yet, so we can't really say that we want to get it. Cause like I said, we do have big plans for her car, so I really wanna just stick to it. If we ever do come across of getting R34, then we'll have to sell at least one of the car. But like I said, it's really hard to say as of just yet. It's too early. We are definitely want to go on the next one for sure. Hopefully maybe we can do something with her car, but like I said, until we get everything else settled down in life, then we can go ahead and start working on her Evo. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's really much, but it was awesome to see all the other builds of the cars that we've seen. At least that kind of gave me some motivation. Hopefully my motivation doesn't die out, but let's just hope. Aloha, I'll see you guys at the next one.